It's me again. Welcome back to another episode of the INOX Podcast, where we break down the science behind the 3D printing. Today we are tackling a game-changing feature in dental 3D printing, the mixing system. Why do dental 3D printers need it? And why do industrial printers often skip it? Let's go into it. Unlike standard industrial resins, dental materials contain nanoparticles that gives them strength, durability, and biocompatibility. But there is a catch. If these particles aren't evenly distributed, your prints will be weak, inaccurate, or fail altogether. That's where the integrated mixing system comes in. Take the INOX 3D printer, for example. It continuously agitates the resin, preventing nanoparticles from settling. This ensures consistent material properties throughout the entire prints. Without this feature, your final restoration may not be as strong or as precise as it should be. Industrial 3D printers do typically not have mixing systems because they don't need it. They print rigid plastics, metals, or general-purpose resins, but in the dental world, inconsistencies in material structure can lead to failed restorations, poorer fit, and compromised strength. That's why dental printers like the INOX are specifically designed to handle specialized resins properly. As 3D printing technology evolves, features like integrated resin mixing and heating will become industry standards, and INOX is already ahead of the curve. If you are serious about quality and precision in dental printing, make sure your printer has a mixing system. It's the key to reliable, high-performance prints. That's it for today. Deep dive. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe and share it with your other people, other friends who are interested in high-end dental 3D printing. And if you want to learn more about the INOX 3D printer, check out their website. It's designed specifically for dentists, labs, and prosthetic specialists. See you in the next episode.